That there is some pirate racing. It's another great adventures of Pirate Mike's RC Adventures. All I know is that people who don't know what they're doing can cause problems. And here at JVRC Garage,
No, that's a pirate.
Now we got pirate party, and we know that this is just pandemonium, and there's little babies and children at risk.
Where did it come from? Who's got a radio? Is it that guy over there on one side of the ring? Go up and interview him. Go interview him.
I'm on the hunt for the lost soldier. I bet this guy over here. Hello, sir. Are you looking for your car?
Yeah.
I know where your car is.
Where is it? What happened to it?
Oh, it's over here in the pits. It's sitting over here. It came in high profile.
Oh, upside down.
Yeah. Welcome to the Pirate Mike RC Adventures. We're here at Nido Park. What's your name?
Joey Ozari.
Joey. We don't want last names, Joey.
Oh,
last names could be incriminating. You can change your name anytime. But
whoa! There
Joe, don't hit the pirate. There we are. So we found Joe's car.
Wow.
It was over here in the.
It was
over here.
It was in the wastelands.
It was in the wasteland.
What did it do?
Joe.
How many cartwheels did it do?
Joe, we just know that all of a sudden it was over here and we didn't know where it came
belly
from.
Up.
It came in pirate. It came in pirate, Joe.
Out of nowhere.
So we know we're all
Belly
pirate
up.
here. It's okay. Yeah. So Joe's here. He found his car. Now you know what next thing you gotta do, Joe? You know what the next thing is?
What's that?
Get your ass out in the dirt
Damn
and do
right.
some running.
Let's figure this track out.
Let's go, bud. Get out there. Joe, don't lose your car again. We like to get down.
Always look different than the night before.
Don't make the pirates start the show. We're doing a little track maintenance. We got guys. Oh, is that Boo?